So we're gonna watch a play called Blood Wedding, and I'm excited. Guys, I didn't want to read too much, but I felt like I needed to read a little bit more to understand. But I wanted to know, I don't know, I just wanted to get my first feels about it, you know? It's cute. A wedding. What's up with that house? Wow. Okay, we're gonna go find our seats now.
Welcome.
It's about to start.